and just say, I am clearing whatever it is you're clearing. Anger, pride, shame, fear, loneliness, bitterness, revenge, whatever it is that's troubling you right now. And then take your magnet and then just do this with your magnet. It's going to unscramble the emotion in a certain meridian. We're clearing the emotion out of the system. You saw how intense it was on a scale of 1 to 10 before you started. And we're going to see what's left at the end. You'll feel some sort of releases, maybe as you're doing it, maybe at the end. If you have pain in the body, it may shift from one place to another. You may find yourself giving a deep sigh or taking a deep breath. These are all signs of the emotion clearing away. Just do it till you feel the relief. You may have already experienced it. If you picked something that was heavy for you, just keep doing it till you feel better. I invite you to come to our workshop. Please check the link in the description box below and buy your ticket in advance so that